Just want to do a quick trade recap. You can see everything is a PA now. Interesting day for me because first day I'm trading a PA since I've been on this roll. I've traded PAs before, but blown them in the past. I've been trading for 3 years, so exciting day, and been watching the market since the open. Just kind of get a feel for it. Didn't want to trade the first half hour or even the first 15 minutes. Just putting the trade performance, doing what I've been doing for the last 5 weeks, and go to real time. And here you go. These are the trades for today, and I'm going to explain the trades, and then I'll explain why I did what I did. But I'm pretty much doing what I've been doing. There was only 2 small losses if you look at the actual trades. And the reason why I kind of like this, let me see today. Market was kind of slow, so it might have took a little bit longer, but yeah, 15 minutes. That last trade was nice. I got great movement once I entered it at an area, and that's the key, entering it at an area. So I'll walk through the trade real quick. I'm going to blow this up. So it looks like I took a short. A little bit of shorts and longs today, and I'll tell you why. I took this short here. I expected this level to break. My gut said it was going here, and I still think it's going there. You can see live. The yellow line is a live market. It's probably going to hit this line at some point, probably soon as well. I just want to be done today. So with that in mind, luckily I have that 3-point target, and you see I got it, and the other one break even. Same concept here. This is a strong line here. So these were not signals that the chart took. I did the quick short. Same thing here. Once price got to this line, I knew I was going to get a bounce down, and it happened really quick. Pulled back against me. I was out of the trade. I got taken out here. Probably could have went in again, but once the level broke here, I was not comfortable going short again. The holiday is going long. So once this broke, I didn't want to take the short. And I don't want to take a long into here. Once it went past here, it was moving pretty quick. I knew it was going to touch VWAP. I was kind of late because I wasn't confident, and it was moving fast. So once it was here, I knew it was going here. I thought I was going to hit 10 points. You can see I got stopped out. I might have added 2 contracts here. But anyway, so it's 3 winning trades. I think it was up to like maybe 300 profit here. And then I actually took a short here. And I was actually listening to 2 different trade rooms, and one of them specifically was saying, oh, from 75, it's going through 80, and it's going to go straight up. And he doesn't see what I see. VWAP, Ludwig level yellow, this blue line, support and resistance radar. Well, I know even if it's going to go through there, it's going to pull back first. So I just simply entered quick short once it got up there. I was trying to get 80. I got 77. Like I said, it's hard to time this because you can't just sit in order there. At least I don't think you can. So you just got to hit quick long and try to get the best fill you can. And you can see that paid like so quick. And now I was up. I was in profit at this point. I was probably up 500 here. My goal is 4. So the software was done taking trades. If I wanted to trade, I had to turn it on and enter the trade myself with a quick long, so it won't just take a trade. So same concept here. Looks like I might have did this twice. Took a short here, knowing once it hit here, it's probably going back down here. Because again, I thought it was going here. And you can see I was wrong at this point. It's still up there. I don't know if I re-entered here or just, it looks like this was 2 trades here. Boom, boom. And, stop out here for $60, 12 ticks minus commission. And then this was the 185 trade right here, which got me to that total. And I think I should be done. Let's see where the market is now. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't even know where to trade right here. Would I have taken this one? This is, based on how I trade, I would enter here. But, my gut says it's going here. You can see 2 Ludwig levels. It might bounce in between here for a while, and you can make a fortune just doing that. So it's coming up to VWAP here. Is it going to get through? If it gets through here, then the longs are back in play. Would I go short here again after winning here? I don't know. It probably will win. We'll go check it back. I just want to refresh my memory because it's been such a long time since I passed this particular PA I'm trading. It's my second one. Just a quick story about PA1. Well, it was PA number one. Well, the first PA I ever traded, I passed. I don't even know. It might have been 2 years ago, PA1. And I was trading micros. It took me from December till I think March, 4 or 5 months trading micros to make $3,000. And that was PA1. Then when I activated it, I don't even know what style of trading I was doing at the time. But it was probably, dollar cost average with micros. And then I probably went to minis instead of micros and blew the account probably pretty quickly. I don't even remember if it was minis or micros how I blew it, but I knew I blew it. And then got busy DJing, really didn't trade too much, just a little bit here and there until recently honing my skill. So the second account was passed in June, or really May. By June 1st, I think is the date on this one that it shows me that it was passed. And then June, I couldn't trade, too busy. All of these accounts pretty much just passed recently, including, matter of fact, reminding myself of something. This one right here is passed. I just got to trade 2 more days. It's only 5 days of trading, so I got to do 6 and 7. Got to take a micro there. So back to this. If you look at these drawdowns here, I traded this, I think, a couple of days in June, maybe 3 days, and I was up 52,375 in 2 or 3 days. I was doing really good with this, and then I made a bad trade, dollar cost average it, and I lost that $1,000 and maybe more. I might have lost 2 in a row, and it really knocked me down. When I started trading today, I only had a $600 drawdown. So that's the reason I like doing these quick longs and quick shorts, because I did get stopped out. The stop out was so small, it's not even showing up. But if we go back to my trades, you're going to see loss in there. And you can't really even see the red lines. They're so small. Yeah, so where these losses came in, this looked like a little malfunction. I'm not sure. There's only one contract that got taken out. It was weird. And then here's 2, what are we talking here? That's 1 tick I lost. And the reason why that happened, and I'm okay with that, if I hit a quick long or quick short, it's at the end of the candle. If I did it right here, which is a good area to actually short it, if I would have ended here, my stop is at the end of this candle, which in this point would have been 1 tick away. That's what happened. Usually I look for quick reactions, and if I get 1 tick, 2 tick loss, who cares? I'll hit it again, because chances are we're going back down to here, or at least getting, I get 3 points, 12 ticks, I win. But it might go through, so I'm going to be done for the day. Anyway, that's where this funded account, again, 775. And let me see where the account sits now. PA, it's pretty good. To me, it's day 1 in trading, because I didn't even know how it was trading. Now I know. It's almost like all of a sudden it clicked, and I know what I'm doing since August 1st. And it even evolved since August 1st, where I was taking more of the signals here. If you go to the chart, I don't even know how the signals are doing. I'm not even looking at them. So the actual signals from when I started trading. These were rough. Again, I'm not taking shorts into this level. And you can see it was the right decision now. This one, double top. So it could have hit your stop if you were just letting the software trade. This one here looks like you did get the 3 and a stop out. This one here, again, these would be, you'd have 2 losses if you're letting software run. If you would take an engulfing bar, this one lost. This engulfing won, this engulfing lost. This engulfing, it's hard to say, but this one lost. So if you're just letting automation run, taking all of the signals, you probably got smoked right here. And I barely lost. Engulfing won. Let's see what else signals here. There's another signal. This is decent. I would think this short going in here, I probably would have took that. Actually, looks like I did kind of take that. I entered it on my own, but I did take that trade, and that was looks like that was my bigger winner here. I might have added in or something, especially because I knew the darker the line, the stronger the level, and you can see it bouncing. Eventually got through it, but if I would have did that method again, let me add in here, which I was done trading at this point, maybe I would have, but if I would have added in here, looks like I would have got enough, because look at the pullback here. it hit and a pullback, I would have won that trade because I would have jumped in somewhere around here. I wouldn't have jumped in. Once it got here, I'm probably not jumping in. Anyway, that's a recap. You can see there's a battle right here. Whichever way this breaks out, it's probably going pretty hard in that direction. Again, if I was trading, maybe I'll grab another PA account and go, but we're just trading sim in practice. But that's it. Exciting for me because now this is real money. I've been waiting for this for 3 years, and hopefully it keeps going.